Today we are bringing in the sunshine with this springtime tutu. Stay tuned. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today is Tutu Tuesday, but I'm actually filming this on Monday, so there's no need to adjust your screen. This is what I actually look like on Monday morning. Headed to the fabric store because we have to make Tutu Tuesday happen, and I have some other orders lined up, so we need to take care of those. Nate, you want to make a tutu today?
Yeah.
On video?
What?
You want to make a video today? You want to make the tutu?
I can assist. I'm just chief executive assistant. I just follow instructions.
So you want to do one today?
Fine.
For this project, you'll need a crochet top, tulle on the roll, springtime embellishments. I use flowers and butterflies, and you'll need some ribbon and a hot glue gun. So Nate started out by cutting the tulle. He cut it at about 22 inches, which will make the skirt about 11 inches long. After the tulle was cut, he took the crochet headband and applied it to the mannequin so that he could apply tulle. He put the tulle on 3 pieces at a time, like you've seen me do many times on this channel. Nate has a lot of experience in this area. We used to make tutus together full time, but that is a story for another day. So while Nate was finishing up the tutu, I cut the green tulle to 6 inches a piece. So I cut several of these because I want to go all along the bottom of the skirt, and I'll show you how I do that in just a second. So when Nate finished, he had this beautiful fluffy tutu. He did a terrific job. This is super full and fluffy. But we are going to turn it up a notch and add some embellishment.
I got skills with these hands.
So taking one piece of green tulle at a time and scrunching it together, I just tie the green piece of tulle to the end of 2 pieces of the pink and peach tulle. This is really simple to do. You can't really mess it up. I do recommend that you try to gather 2 pieces that are close together so that the tulle doesn't cross over itself too much. So once you've gone all the way around the tutu, it will look like this. And now we're going to get our hot glue gun out and start adding these embellishments. I used flowers, ribbons, and a few butterflies too. So if you are new here, be sure to click the subscribe button and click the bell so that you can be notified of upcoming Tutu Tuesday tutorials. And I'm going to start posting at least twice a week because I'm always DIYing something around here, even if it's not a tutu. So here's how the finished look came out. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye!